Hoover H3 is an ultra-lightweight, multifunctional cordless vacuum that converts from a stick to a handheld in seconds and gives up to 25 minutes fade-free lithium performance. Hoover H3 offers performance equal to a corded vacuum cleaner. The rotating brush bar can be switched on to deep cleaning carpets or switched off when you need smooth manoeuvrability on hard floors such as in the kitchen. H3 has been designed with H-Lab flat and drive nozzle, which makes it highly manoeuvrable, and you can use it to pivot 180 degrees from side to side and recline 90 degrees to reach underneath the sofa for thorough cleaning. Adding to that convenience are the handy tools supplied. You have the 2-in-1 crevice and mini dusting brush and the 2-in-1 large dusting and upholstery tools. These can be attached to either the handheld or to the poles, allowing to clean above the floor and awkward areas. Also included with the H3 is the very useful motorized pets turbo tool, and this will help to lift off and remove those stubborn pet hairs from your upholstery, curtains or cushions. And when you've finished using your H3, it can be stored away neatly with the handy wall mounts. So an incredibly lightweight cordless vacuum with incredible performance to help make housework less of a hassle.